In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Splice tool in CapCut PC. If you've used CapCut on mobile, you might be looking for the Splice tool on your computer. On the desktop version, the same feature is called Blend. I'll show you exactly where it lives and how to use it to merge your video layers in a clean, controlled way. First, make sure you have two clips stacked on your timeline, one above the other. Splicing, or blending, works by combining the selected top layer with whatever sits directly beneath it. Look down at your timeline lanes and click directly on your top video or graphic layer to highlight it. When you do this correctly, you'll see its properties open on the right side of your layout. If the panel doesn't change, double-check you've actually selected the upper clip, because the blend controls only appear for the active layer. Now move to the Properties panel in the top right. Under Video, open the Basics section. Scroll just a little until you find the section labeled Blend. This is CapCut PC's official Splice tool. Click the Mode drop-down menu right next to it. You'll see a list of classic blending presets, similar to what you might recognize from other editors. For quick practical results, try Screen when your overlay has black in the background that you want to remove or lighten. Screen tells CapCut to treat darker pixels as transparent, so things like light flares, smoke, or HUD-style graphics with black backgrounds sit naturally over your base footage. If you want to darken and mix texture into what's underneath, choose Multiply. Multiply keeps the darker parts of the selected layer and blends them into the lower clip, which is great for adding grit, shadow, or printed textures without harsh cutouts. Remember, these modes operate on the top layer you selected, so the order of layers matters. Swapping which clip is on top will change the outcome. Once you've picked a mode, fine-tune the result with the opacity slider right underneath. Small adjustments make a big difference. Pulling the slider down softens the effect and lets more of the lower clip show through. Pushing it up intensifies the blend from the top layer. Keep an eye on your preview as you adjust, and aim for a balance where edges look natural and details from both clips are visible without washing out or crushing shadows. That's all there is to it. 2 stacked clips, select the top one, open Video, Basic, find Blend. Choose a mode like Screen or Multiply, then dial in opacity. You're all set. Done.